Hi guys, welcome back. This is me Sahil, and today I'm back on YouTube. Guys, I'm really sorry I've been missing from YouTube for a long time, and there have been quite a number of reasons why I went missing from YouTube. But then what I can promise you is that this time I'm back for a really long time, and there are quite a lot of updates which I have to share with you. Some good updates, some good changes in my life in Canada. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and I have some good news to share. So guys, welcome back. This is me Sahil once again. Guys, first of all, I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. All of you are healthy, safe in this COVID-19. This is really unfortunate. This pandemic has hit us. I have been seeing numbers in India and in the US. It's so unfortunate. Things are happening around the world. My family is also back home in India, and you guys, my YouTube family, a lot of our viewers are from India, but then other viewers are from Europe and the other countries as well. So I really hope that all of you are doing absolutely fine and you guys stay healthy. So guys, to the main topic of the video, what is the biggest update of my life? So guys, the biggest update is that I've now gained a license to become a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. With this particular certification, I am now licensed and authorized to take on immigration related cases when it comes to Canadian immigration. The benefit of this particular profession is that as per Canadian law, only lawyers, some paralegals in the province of Ontario, and the other person who can do it for charging a fee is a regulated Canadian immigration consultant only. So our profession is licensed by ICCRC, which is the regulatory body. So it is a year-long course that I had to do, and then there is a bar sort of an examination. It is a very tough exam. We have to complete 140 questions, scenario-based and the regular ones, within just 3 hours. It's a very tough question. We go through the entire Immigration and Refugee Protection Act of Canada, and then we do a lot of training, and then there are regular trainings that are held by the government, the ICCRC and the other agencies. So we are a part of those trainings. We complete our regular training programs, and then we get this license. So the benefit of this particular license is that whatever advice or suggestions that we give only as per the Canadian law. This highly regulated profession is just like lawyers, but only in the field of immigration. So yes, this is the biggest update of my life after coming to Canada. I came to Canada, to this particular country, and thought, this is the time when I can actually do something big, something different, and this country gives you that opportunity. The professions are really respected, paid accordingly. So I did practice with a couple of lawyers and immigration firms to gain some experience, and now I'm into this profession all by myself. We've launched a brand, we've launched a company. The brand is called Being Canada. BeingCanada.com is the place where you should be heading out to after this video. Now all of this service is provided by me and the team of agents and everybody, so you can count on this service. I'll be happy to assist all of you. But when we talk about this particular YouTube channel, like always, this YouTube channel is going to be free. I will try my best to give you the best suggestion, best advice possible through this channel. It is going to be free as always, because I want you guys to succeed. Only if you need genuine help, then you can always contact me. But this is the best way to give you the advice, this channel, and then I will be giving out all the different videos. I've planned a series of multiple programs, eligibilities and everything, which will be very helpful. And if you then need more help, I'm always there to help you, right? So guys, this is the biggest update of my life. I am now an entrepreneur, but then after working with Fortune 500 companies. I have a good experience in other fields, automobile, sales, marketing, and everybody, financial industry as well, which is highly regulated itself. So from that industry, I bring in that experience, and now finally I get to use that experience in this immigration. I studied a lot, and I hope to be of help to all of you. This particular video channel, I will try my best to answer all of your questions with the availability of time, of course. But then, I will be initiating a Facebook group as well, where all of us can get connected. People who have experience, they can always give in their inputs, and I will continue to give in my inputs, right? So guys, I hope this update helps my apology to you all that I have not been able to reply and give time to this channel. But then this time I'm going to give you back-to-back videos on different programs of immigration. So all of these videos are going to be there for a long time. I'm going to give you back-to-back videos with the series that I've planned. So guys, be in touch always. I love you all, and wait for the next videos that are coming in really soon. See you.